Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to reset your UKG Pro password or lock out your account. So here's how to reset it in a few easy steps. So start by going to your company's UKG Pro login page. So you'll need a company's portal. You need the specific URL given by your employer. And then click on forget your password right below the login form. And then enter your username or email address and click continue. There you will receive a reset link in your inbox. And of course, guys, check your email for the reset link. Click it, then enter a new password that meets the security requirements. And now head back to the login page and sign in with your new password there. And you are all set. And that's how to reset your UKG Pro account. Like and follow for more quick tutorials. And if you have any questions, guys, don't be shy to drop them in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!